Welcome. So today I'm going to talk about something that ServiceNow released. I'm not sure. I think it is like few months ago, and this is TapeAgents. And I believe Agentic AI that ServiceNow is selling is based on this, and it is pretty cool. And TapeAgents can do a lot of things. Means it can be used for prompt tuning, fine tuning, and agentic workflows, AI agents, form filling. There are many use cases, and the main distinguisher between other agents and tape agents is every communication that agent is doing in tape agent is getting stored in a storage which is called tape. So the tape is a log of every step the agent is taking. Okay, and that can help as a memory, or also can help like if the agent want to understand like fine tune or prompt tuning, these like this tape can help in all of that. Now so and in this GitHub, you will see there's a intro notebook that ServiceNow has also provided, which we can use to understand to run these tape agents. And if you want to run the whole, you can use this one. But I created a something simpler because I didn't want to run. Means ServiceNow is like explaining a lot of things in the original notebook, so I created parts of it and cleaned it because I only wanted to run like few parts. And to run this, you will need two things. One is the OpenAI key, and another is Serper. Serper is a website which gives you an API through which you can call get the Google search result. Okay, so and it's free. So like for certain transactions, it is free, so you can use that. Now you can simply get all this information, add your keys, and then install tape agents and a few other libraries. And so now let me just quickly go through. So this is one example. If you just want to see like how the tape agents work, then you will see that if you ask any question, it will give you. So this is the tape basically. It contains the metadata, what is asked, and what was the ask and what was the answer. Now, and because it is a tape, so the tape is now stored in SQL. So everything gets stored in SQLite. So this is a database where everything is stored. So, and that is inside that infrastructure. Now, if I want to ask, okay, just give me a sec. Yeah, here. So if I want to something converse with the tape agent, but I wanted to have that older whatever I've asked as a memory, then you can just ask that final tape plus your question. Now you will see the final tape contains the older data. So here, once it will run, you will see it understands the older question and the older answer. It has both the things. Now, and I said I want to know what future hold for this company, and from this it was able to understand I'm talking about ServiceNow over here, as you can see. So it has that memory because it is using that tape. Now if I'll go to, yeah, so let me show you properly. So that one was not using like many agents or any tool. So this one, this agent means this code uses multiple agents. So there is two agent. One is planning and another is act. So planning is for, so write in natural language plan. So if the question, if somebody, a user asks something, it will create a plan first. So that is planning node is a planning agent, and then act node, it will execute the plan that was created by the planning node. Okay. So these two, and it will use a tool. So as you can see over here, I'm calling tools, and the tool that I'm calling is stock data and stock ticker. So stock ticker will get the data about the stocks. So it's a kind of a financial agent. Now, if I'll ask, is it wise to invest in ServiceNow today? So let me just ask about it. Then you see it is running, it is getting some data, and also it uses cache. So that's why the run was very fast. But if you'll ask for some other company, because I've asked this before, but if you'll ask for some other company, it will take little more time. But let's go one by one. So we'll start with step 0, which is it wise to invest in ServiceNow today? And this is what my question was. It says that, so it has this thought that let's use this. So now that what agent is thinking, use the function get stock ticker tool to find the stock ticker symbol of the ServiceNow. Use the stock ticker is obtained, and analyze the stock price to identify trends, volatility, and provide insights based on the stock performance, which is a good thought. And I think this is what people will think, right? And then after this, so it has to use the function. So it calls the tool. Now it is calling get stock ticker because it needs to understand what is the symbol of the ServiceNow company. So once it gets that, it understands that, okay, now the symbol is now. So, and now it is getting the stocks data from this date to this date, like for 5-6 months. And once it has all this information, so let's see. So it does an observation before that. Observation was getting the data of the, and once it has all the information, now it's a stock performance. The stock started approximately, showed a gradual increase, fluctuated, saw significant growth, continued its uptrend. So what is the analysis? Over the past 6 months, ServiceNow stock has shown strong upward trend. Stock has experienced some volatility, especially towards the end of the December and January, has slightly decreased from its peak in December, but remains relatively high compared to 6 months ago. Has demonstrated strong growth over the past 6 months with some recent volatility. If you are considering investing, it may be wise to evaluate your risk and tolerance and investment goal. So I think this is a pretty good analysis. It has all the information, and this is the normal way an agent will, like if you ask any question related to some company's performance, it will react in this way. And so this was one example. There are multiple other tools that ServiceNow offers. One was a text browser. So instead of only getting information related to the stocks, it goes and searches for in the Google. And so here you can see you will help the user to learn about the financial of the company. And then if I'll ask question that, okay, so is the question was like, let me just say, how is the performance of NVIDIA? So this agent will not only check the stocks information, but it will also give information related to, like it will also search Google and get other financial records and all those things. It will also check that as well. So first, as you can see, get stock ticker, stock data, then call search agent to gather general information about the NVIDIA, including its business operation and any recent news. So as you increase the tools, it will start including those as well in the planning. So after that, what it did, so it called get the ticker, and then it called the NVIDIA stocks. I believe it must have gotten the stocks. Okay. Companies, now it is searching for company's profile. Yeah, financial records, it is getting all this information. Search agent, let's see what the assistant says finally. So over the past year, NVS has shown significant growth. Here is the summary. Uh, so $56 starting price at this, then 133. And the stock price has more than doubled over the year, reflecting strong investor confidence. Reported quarterly revenue of $35 billion, and company has also recorded revenue of $26 billion on Q1 of fiscal 2025, making 94% increase year over year. And innovation partnership has partnered. Overall, Nvidia continues to be the leader in the tech industry with a strong financial performance and innovative advancements in AI and other sectors. So it is pretty, I mean, this is pretty cool, right? And last part was I also added, so there is another tool which can get information from the video. So if you want to run that, you can add any video over here, and then it will, once you'll run it, it will take some time. I think it took 4 minutes for me, but it will give you the transcription and little bit information about the video. So yeah, that is all from my side. Let me know if you have any questions.